Yo, what's poppin', people? Your boy Snacks is back, damn it. Yo! Everybody do it, man. I'm at the house. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm finna go to bed. Take me a shower. I'm going to sleep. Y'all can hear all about all the exciting shit they having at PAX tomorrow. But for right now, your boy's going to bed. What's good, YouTube? Nappy Boy back again once again. Oh, that ain't my intro. But it is what it is, man. PAX was wonderful, man. I got to kick it with all my people, all my friends, Digital Noob family, Fanatical G family, the Gaming Fanatics family. ESG was missing though. Get your ass to E3, homie. Before I come, oh, you gonna be there anyway, cause that's your side, that's your hood. We gonna come and hang out with you. That's what's up, man. Oh, PAX is wonderful, man. I'm spent. I'm done. Y'all make sure go out there and tell the y'all staff I said thank you. Chaos, OG Warriors, WAC 4863, PTG Nando, Big Chunky, tell Siggy, thanks for showing up, being doing this thing, Eclipse, Bright Links. I'm talking about, man, I love you guys. Y'all did me wonderful, and I appreciate every minute of it. Y'all make sure y'all go by the y'all's channels, man, and check out what's coming up this week, and check out all the great shit we did at PAX. Go by the Facebook page and check out some of the pictures, man. This picture's already up on them joints. So go by there and check them out. But I'm going to bed, man. Here comes my daughter with this doggone megaphone machine. And it's loud as shit. You know what I'm talking about? I know y'all hear that. I'm going to bed. I'm out, man. Y'all be good. I hope you're looking good, feeling good, smelling good. If you was at PAX and you didn't find me, ain't my fault. Because I was tweeting all day, damn it. I'm out of here. Yeah!